Nonprofits make significant contributions across various sectors, yet frequently face budget constraints. Today, we'll explore how InVideo, an AI video creator offering free to low cost services, can assist nonprofit organizations in crafting videos. These videos can serve multiple purposes, from promoting their cause and inspiring fundraising efforts to recruiting new volunteers. So, in this video, we will learn more about InVideo, cover best practices for prompting, and create a video for a made up nonprofit. Let's get started. If you are unfamiliar with InVideo AI, it is a versatile capability with a web and app interface designed for AI video creation, allowing users to quickly generate videos by simply typing in their ideas. It automates script writing, voiceovers, media incorporation, and text placement while allowing for manual tweaks and customizations. This tool suite is designed for content creators, marketers, business owners, and nonprofits seeking to engage with their audience through video content. It features capabilities like prompt based video creation, extensive customization options, access to a vast stock video media library, realistic AI voiceovers, collaborative editing, and an efficient production process. Users benefit from flexible subscription plans starting with a free option. InVideo AI supports detailed prompt inputs for precise video creation, covering various content types and themes, and offers straightforward editing commands for quick adjustments. Let's get started. If I wanted a generic video about the joy of puppies, I could simply prompt in video with that, and I would have a generic video that would be very cute. But that's not what we're doing today. We're looking to create a video for our made up nonprofit Wisdom Share Learning Network. That is why I have all this information in a Word document that I'm going to put into InVideo so that it knows all about the Wisdom Share Learning Network, its missions, who it serves, what it does, why it does it, where it does it, when it does it, how it does it, for whom it does it, and some of the outcomes. You might not have all this information for your nonprofit, but you could put in things such as your mission, your vision, your outcomes. The point is, you want to be as specific as possible and give the AI as much information about your organization. I have logged on to InVideo AI and said that I want to create a video. Now I have some options. I could give it some instructions, or I could look down here at the workflows. Well, what do I want to create? I want to create a horizontal video for YouTube that can also be used on a website. So let's do script to video. Okay, I'm going to create a video and I'm going to put in here that information we just looked at about Wisdom Share. And here is my specific prompt. Please create a video that is less than 5 minutes about Wisdom Share Learning Network. The goal of the video is to grow awareness of our nonprofit and specifically have people call us to volunteer at our phone number, which I've provided, or sign up to volunteer on our website. Great. So we have that and the information. It's asking what kind of background music do I want? How about relaxing? And what kind of voice do I want to use? Let's use a female, and I've got a lot of options: British, Indian, Australian, Husky, Southern. Let's just go with clear American. Now I'm going to click continue and generate video. Okay, now who is my audience? It's senior citizens. We are looking for volunteers. How do I want it to be? Inspiring, professional, or clean? I don't really know what clean means. Let's go with professional. Platform. We want YouTube. Let's continue. Great. Now I have the video. It's under 5 minutes. There really wasn't that much information, so I didn't expect it to be too long. I can click edit if I want to edit any of the images that it has put in here. Well, we can see on this timeline the video clips and the length of each of these video clips. And I can also see the text. If I want to edit the script, I can go over here and edit the script. Before you start to edit your video, I suggest watching it, especially since this is a very short video. So let's go ahead and watch it.
Welcome to the Wisdom Share Learning Network. Our mission is to harness the wisdom of seniors to inspire and educate the next generation and cultivate a love of learning. We connect senior citizens with K-12 students, fostering enriching intergenerational relationships through personalized math, language arts, social studies, and science tutoring. Our goal is to combat educational gaps and social isolation, ultimately strengthening the fabric of our community. The Wisdom Share Learning Network operates on a flexible, dual-modality approach to accommodate the diverse needs of our participants. Senior volunteers are integrated into the educational environment, providing real-time support and enrichment for students during classroom sessions. After school, tutoring can occur at our dedicated facility or within the student's home, offering targeted support in specific subjects. Through one-on-one, in-person tutoring, we facilitate personalized learning sessions between seniors and students, leveraging generational wisdom to enrich education and strengthen community bonds. If you're a K-12 student seeking academic enrichment or a senior citizen eager to share your knowledge and stay engaged in the community through educational volunteering, we invite you to join us at the Wisdom Share Learning Network. Call us at 1-800-555-6789 or sign up to volunteer on our website, wisdomshare.net. Together, let's inspire, educate, and build strong community connections.
That was a great first draft. When I watch the first drafts, I always take some notes and note at about how many seconds or at what time in the video something comes up that I want to review or modify. So, what I saw in this video, there were four major things. If I click edit, the first thing I noticed was that this video here that runs for about, let's check, 15 seconds is actually of just seniors, and I'd prefer to see seniors and kids. So I could upload a video if I already had one and add my own media, or I can just search here. So let's search senior citizen and student. So now it's going to give me images at the top that I could replace that with. Or if I scroll down, there'll also be videos. I've noticed that this site tends to load pretty slowly. So let's go with this one. I'm going to click here and it's already covered up that video, so it's been replaced. Something else I noticed in the video was in this scene that runs for 10 seconds, the person is kind of angry with the child, and that's certainly not the image we want to convey. So, again, let's go down here and find a different image of kids and adults learning together. Let's go here. So now we've selected that and it's replaced that image. I also noted that the last video here, it switches to an international video in these two videos. And since this is a US based program, that's just not the right representation. So let's again go down here and just find some replacement images. So that'll be a nice replacement image there. And then let's do another one over there. And let's choose here a happy volunteer and apply changes. The last thing I want to change is a minor tweak to the script. I thought the script was great, but at the end, our call to action is for seniors to volunteer, and it's asking for students to volunteer, and that is just not our target audience. So let's edit that. So we're just going to say, if you are a senior citizen, because while the program is for K-12 students, this specific video is looking for seniors to do the volunteering. And so again, I click apply changes. Now I want to end with one last pro tip on furthering editing your video. So you'll see here that this is just an image and it runs for 2 seconds. Well, but here is a video, and before it is a video, and I think it's kind of distracting. So what I can do is go up here and see that this video is running for 9 seconds, but the video clip is actually 13 seconds. So I'm going to make this video here 0 seconds, and this one I'm going to add those extra 2 seconds on, so it's 11 seconds now. So you can't delete these individual sections, but you can run your video over them. Let's click Apply Changes. And now we are ready to export. So we could go and export this. I have a paid subscription, so I would not have a watermark. If you don't have a paid subscription, there would be a watermark. Click Continue, and you'll have your video. Good luck with your video projects, and thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe for future videos like this.